Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Hope so you all are fine. Dear students, as in the previous lecture we have discussed about the radius and diameter of the circle, circumference of the circle, and then the procedure to draw an accurate circle. Now it's the time to calculate or measure the diameter and radius of the circle. So let's start. As in the firstly, as you can see, we have a circle, and in this circle we have a center of the circle, and this boundary of the circle is called circumference. This central point is called center, and these all points are equidistant from this center. These all points are actually the degrees of the circle, and in their complete turn we have 360 degrees, and all these degrees are equal distance from this center. So what is the how to calculate the radius of the circle? Firstly we will start the radius, that how to calculate the radius of this given circle. So what is the radius of the circle? Radius is a line from the center joining any point on the circumference of the circle. As this is the circumference of the circle, and radius is a line with joining the any point on the circumference of the circle from the center. As this is the circumference of the circle, this is the center of the circle, and what is the radius? Radius is a line from center to any point. So I will take this point from the circumference of the circle. So this is a line from the center joining any point on the circumference of the circle. So this is called radius. This is called radius of the circle. Now what is the radius? We have to calculate the radius. You can calculate the radius of the given circle with the help of the compass or with the help of the scale. With the help of compass, you have to open the pencil arm from the pivot of the compass till that point. You will put the pivot of the compass at the center, and then you have to extend the arm of the pencil till that point. Now this distance between the arm of the pencil and this pivot is the radius of the circle. What is the radius of the circle? We can put it on the scale from mark 0. So put the arm of the pencil at 0 and put the pivot of the compass at another number. As it matches to the 4, it means the radius of this circle is 4 centimeter. You can also directly calculate it. Put the 0 at the point and then check the center is at the 4. That's why the length of this line segment is equal to 4 centimeter. That's why the radius of the circle is 4 centimeter. The radius of the circle is 4 centimeter. It means the radius of given circle, radius of circle is equal to 4 centimeter. Got it? So if you want to calculate the diameter of the same circle, so what is the diameter? The line which joins two points. The line which joins two points on the circumference and passes through the center of the circle is called diameter. So now we will find the diameter of the same circle. So I will join any 2 points from the circumference, and those points passes through the center of the circle. So this is called diameter. This is called diameter. So we have to calculate the diameter. We have to calculate the diameter. So again by use of compass or by use of scale we can calculate the diameter. So put the scale 0 of the scale on the first point and check the measurement till the other point, that is equal to 8. It means diameter of this circle is equal to 8 centimeter. So diameter or D, you can use the short form as D, is equal to 8 centimeter. So the radius of this circle is 4 centimeter and diameter is equal to 8 centimeter. Now you can check your answer directly from here, as I told you that diameter is the double of the radius. Radius is 4, radius is the half and diameter is the double of the radius. So it means 4, and what is the double of the 4? 4 to the 8. It means your answer is correct. Or half of, and radius is half of the diameter. So if we will take the half of 8, the half of 8 is equal to 4 centimeter. How? Because when we will divide the 8 by 2. So 2 4s are 8. So when we will divide the 8 by 2 to take the half of the diameter, so we will get 4 as the radius. Got it? So to find the radius of the circle from the diameter, you have to divide the diameter by 2 to get the half. And to find the radius, this is the diameter. We are finding the radius from the diameter. And if you want to find the diameter from the radius, so you have to take the double of the radius and you have to multiply the radius by 2. Clear? So to find the diameter of the circle by radius, you will multiply the radius by 2 to get the double of the radius. And to find the radius of the circle from the diameter, you have to divide the diameter by 2 to get the half of the diameter. Clear? Now let's find the radius of this circle. So to find the radius of this circle, again we will use the scale. Take the distance from center to any point of the circle. I will select this point. So look at this. The radius of the distance from center to this point is equal to 2. It means the radius of the circle is 2 centimeter. And what will be the diameter? To find the diameter, we have to get a line which matches 2 points on the circumference of the circle and passes through the center. So this is called diameter. Let's check what is the diameter. Again use the scale. Put the 0 at the first point and check the another point, that is equal to 4. It means the diameter of this circle is equal to 4 centimeter. Clear? So you can easily check your answer. Look at this. Radius is the half of the diameter and diameter is the double of the radius, because the double of the radius, 2 2s are 4. To find the diameter from the radius, as diameter is 4 centimeter, so to find the radius from this diameter, you have to divide this by 2. So 2 2s are 4. Look at this. The answer is same. And if we will take the radius, as the radius is 2 centimeter, and if you want to find the diameter, you have to take the double of the radius. Double mean you have to multiply this radius by 2. So 2 2s are 4 centimeter. It means the diameter is 4 centimeter. Got it? So this is the method how to calculate, how to measure the diameter and radius of the given circles. So dear students, hope so you have understood this concept. Now you have to complete the given task related to this topic, and if you will face any problem, you can ask me directly. Thank you.